In the vast canvas of our world, where every sunrise is a promise and every sunset a story, there exists a realm of endless discovery. Beyond the routine of our daily lives lies the extraordinary. It calls to us, whispers in the wind, beckoning us to explore the unknown. For every journey begins with a single step, a decision to embrace the unfamiliar, to tread where your heart leads. In the symphony of cultures, each note played by the laughter of strangers becomes a melody of unity through the lens of adventure. You'll witness landscapes that defy imagination, painted with hues only nature can master. As you wander, you'll find not only the world but also yourself. Amidst the vastness, discover the intricacies that make you whole. Travel is the poet's pen that sketches stories on the canvas of your soul, each chapter etched in the memories you collect. It's a dance with the unfamiliar, a romance with the extraordinary. Let the world be your stage, and every step a graceful movement, for in every journey you become both the storyteller and the story. So, let the Wanderlust Chronicles unfold, and may your adventures be as boundless as the horizons that await.